Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to hide or unhide stories on Instagram. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end as we have 2 easy methods to hide your story from certain people. Let's get started. Just directly go to your Instagram app. Go directly on the 3 lines at the top right. Now from this, click on Settings. As the page appears, click on Privacy. After that, go to Story. There's a Story section bar. Click on it. That's right. After that, go to Hide Story From. As you see, 2 accounts have already been hidden. To hide more people, just click on those accounts with the blue tick. And to unhide, click on the accounts again. That's it. Now let's get started with another method. Go to your Following section from the profile. Now click on any of the accounts you want to hide your story from. Click on the 3 dots at the top right. Click on Hide Your Story. Click on Hide. That's it. Easily you have hidden the story. Now go to Settings to check. Go to Privacy. After that, go to Story bar, Story. Hide Story From. You can see 3 people have been hidden. To unhide, just click on those accounts. That's it. So these are the methods to unhide or hide your story on Instagram. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you liked the video or if it was helpful anyhow, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new YouTube video for you. Thank you.